Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage voice chat in Helldivers 2. To do this, first we'll need to click on escape, move to our options, then audio, and inside locate the voice chat. Here you can switch between open microphone, push to talk, push to mute, muted, or disabled. And if you're wondering which keys are for the voice chat, you can move to the mouse and keyboard and then change bindings. Now we just need to find the push to talk key, and I think it should be in the communication. Voice activation is on caps lock by default, since I haven't changed that. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.